yield curve maintenance. Remember, the yield curve is the curve, the differential in rates between short rates, overnight rates, to long rates. Typically, when we talk about the yield curve, you talk about, on the long rates, the 10-year Treasury. The Fed does not want the 10-year Treasury to go below short rates. Why? That causes great dysfunction in the banking and financial system. It would stop banks probably from lending. And it causes a panic that, oh, are we going to roll deeper into a recession? Conversely, the Fed doesn't want the 10-year spiking too hard. So what the Fed has basically said, we're going to maintain rates on both the short end and long end. Now, the Fed has always been able to control rates on the short end. They've had a very questionable ability to control rates on the long end. Most of the time, they can't control it well at all. But they're basically, with the size of the Treasury portfolios they have today, they probably have more of an influence. So they're basically telling you, this is where rates are going to be for a period of time. They can always control short rates, but remember, they can't always control long rates.